noko ababadala kakhulu benjinje yayibona lana ngabe fanele babona bangafoliswa nje
ngaziqhelisa into abaningakhalazi kuba yonke into isezandleni zami
lithe liphuma la namhlanje ilanga kwabe sekuthe khiya endetshini zokuvota abantu babeka ithwayo eliqhakathekileko.
This is a great day for democracy in South Africa.
I don't think we're going to solve the problems of South Africa by keeping the same people.
I can't jump the queue. I have to respect these people.
Boka abaholi bezepolitiki abavotileko bazibethi isifuba bathi nakwamakhaya kwavele kwazikhanyela.
Ukuvota kimi kubaluleke kakhulu ngobana ngizokuba nelizwi.
Yo bengithukiwe ekuthomeni mangizongena egame kodwa nangifika phakathi ngakhululeka.
Ebe bavota kokuthoma namhlanje bathi bathemba bona ivote yabo angeke iphenduke ilize lakolize. Elangeni elikhulu lamakhetho elizweni lekhethu siyakwamukela endabeni zesindebele ku-SABC 1 lechannel. Belihlabile ilanga endaweni ngendawo abantu nabaphumako bayokuvota. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ukuthabela ukuvota lapha akhulela khona eJawelo eSoweto. uRamaphosa uthi ngendlela ikomishini yezamakhetho iraga ngakho amakhetho wanonyaka kuyamanelisa.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uphekelelwe ngunkosikazi yakhe uthi uthabile ngendlela ikomishini ejamele kwezamakhetho iraga ngakhona amakhetho begodu uvote kamnandi.
I am very delighted to be here, of course, with my wife, to come and vote in the township where I grew up, with the permission of the IEC. So it's wonderful to arrive here and to meet so many people who are coming to vote.
Nana njalo ngoba angeze kwakhamba kuhle konke ukhalime ngamagama abukhali laba bathekazisa umsebenzi wekomishini ejamele kwezamakhetho.
We are concerned and we once again call on all South Africans, particularly on this day and the next few days coming when the results will be counted and before they are announced, that all of us must abide by the prescripts of our electoral law and our constitution as well. But I have my full confidence in our security officers throughout the country that they are going to execute their work. They will make sure that those who seek to embark on ways that will disrupt our elections will be dealt with, and they will be dealt with severely.
uRamaphosa ukhuthaza amaSouth Africa ukuthi avote angahlali phasi.
Sekala likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uba amaSouth Africa bona aphume ngobuningi ba wayokuvota emakhethweni. Ubekhuluma nabeka yokuvota eKelvin eTlagwini eJohannesburg lapho bekaphelelwa khona unkosikazi yakhe.
Siphelile isikhathi sokuzibawela amavoti, sikhathi sokuqala bona abantu bazizwile na inhlangano zepolitiki. Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile wenze njalo naye wayokufaka lakhe ivoto. Ngemva kobana vote uMashatile uba abantu bona basebenzise ithubeli baphume ngobuningi babo bayokuvota.
All I want to say is to call on all South Africans to go out and exercise their rights to vote. It's a right that we all fought hard for, South Africans. 30 years of democracy, we still remain a very strong democratic country, and our votes will ensure that we sustain that.
uMashatile uthi uthabela ukubona amakhetho araga ngokuthula endaweni eziningi.
I'm quite happy that in most parts of the country the elections are proceeding peacefully, and we do hope throughout the day that will be the case.
Abaholi benhlangano eziphikisako zepolitiki ezihlukahlukene bavotile nabo namhlanje. Abaningi banethemba lokubana inhlangano zabo zizokuphumelela emakhethweni.
I don't think we're going to solve the problems of South Africa by keeping the same people around the same table, making the same bad decisions with the same bad results for South Africa. And I think this morning you've got a great juxtaposition.
I know I'm a party leader. I should be doing other things somewhere, but I can't jump the queue. I have to respect these people and then humble myself. And it has been there's always been a very interesting, opportunity for me to interact with the people I grew up with, many of them full of ideas.
Let us be active participants. Let us go to the voting stations. Whatever dissatisfaction you have, take that dissatisfaction to the ballot box, use your vote to vote out the government that is not satisfying you.
I think this election, the importance of that is that for the first time after 30 years, we can have a change in government, and that makes this election something different, a bit more extraordinary.
We have an opportunity now to replace those corrupt people and those who are failing to deliver services and replace them with people who care. Yeah. Because those who don't deliver means they don't care. Yeah. So we want to vote for those who care.
It's not only the crime. People have been crying here to ask for answers on a number of issues, including the collapse of the infrastructure. It's across the country. There is no government. The sooner the voters wake up and vote these people out, the better.
Now we intend to bring in the dignity of an African child in South Africa, and that's what we are going to do. We're going to prioritize education, we're going to prioritize land, we're going to prioritize jobs, we're going to prioritize health and a better life for all. Very key and important.
There can be no greater moment than this one, and I feel in myself a deep sense of humility, another sense of nervousness about where all of this could mean.
Njenganje asilalemele umbiki indaba wethu embombela uNhlanhla Jele. Nhlanhla lilange elikhulu. Ungakhe usakhele umkhanyo ngokuthi kukhamba njani ngapho?
Ngibingelele Thandeka nababukele emakhaya sila eGert Sibande TVET College ekuthiwa ngiyo istation esinamanamba amakhulu ngabantu abafake isicelo sokuzovota njengoba usabona abantu basamile elayinini abaningi bayafika bahlole le line bathola ukuthi hayi iseseyinde bajike bazabuya entambama soloko sila from emini bathi vele sinsekuseni ngo7 kugcwele la abantu bayangena bayaphuma and abantu abaningi sibabonile bavela kule stage Thandeka abantu abasha abantu abadala abantu bombala ohlukile no abantu abamnyama nabelungu kunjalo abantu bala eMelo baphumile vele bagcwele kulesi stage emini sambile Thandeka sa eKinross safika nakhona eKinross sithole iline abantu bamile iline mokhumbula iKinross is one of those areas ebesicover vele bakhala ngokuthi abana manzi abana gezi but namuhla baphumile nabathi hey bafuna ukuvotela ushintsho endaweni yabo mara njengoba ubona Thandeka abantu basamile basagcwele bayangena bayaphuma bayavota bayahamba Thandeka
Alokhe kwaba nembiko yokucharagana kwezinto enkomazi igcine ilungisiwe
asisho ngendaba yokucharagana kwasenkomazi osikwaziyo ukuthi la eGert Sibande la eMpumalanga nala eMelo kucale vele kusilowunyana ngoba banenkinga yale machine yabo so abantu abaningi vele bamile emaqueuini kwamanye ama voting station abantu abaphuma ngobuningi especially ekseni because bekubanda ekseni but usikwaziyo ukuthi la bekunganambiko ukuthi abantu bayalwa or ukuhlangahlangana yonke into ihambe smooth up until now sesizobona nje vele njengoba ilanga solutioning ukuthi uzokuchubeka kuhambe njani njengoba ubona iqueue iseseyinde kanje and masizwa abantu bayakhuluma ukuthi eMelo ngathi nokuba nobungozi nyana ilanga masolutionile so sizoba sila on the ground vele observer sibone ukuthi kuzochubeka kuhambe kahle na ama tensions but so far Thandeka asizwanga next this side of the province Thandeka
Asithokoze Nhlanhla loyo mbiki indaba wethu uNhlanhla Jele osibikela sembombela Kwanje silalamela umbiki indaba wethu Comfort Masombuka oseMidrand eGalaga Estate Sombu gazi ulaphe ngifuna ukuba khona ucale imbalobalo bunqopha khamba njani ngapho?
Nangambala ke ngiyazamukela Thandeka indambo kuwe ngikhona la eGalaga Estate lapho kubalwa khona amakhetho elangeni namhlanje. Nangambala ngiyabona sezikhona nenhlangano amalunga wenhlangano ezihlukahlukene zepolitiki athomila afika ke ngobuningi labazokubona imiphumela nayithoma ikhuphuka lapha ke njengoba kulilangela ukukhulu kangaka eSouth Africa zombelele. Kanti ke njenganje nala e-studio la ngikhona angikhambi ngedwa ngikhamba nomcozululi osifundisa obuye abe mkhubhululi ovela lapha ke eVets School of Governance. Ngikhuluma ngoba ngikhuluma ngoDokhotere uHlengiwe wakwaNdlovu sihlezi naye la e-studio. Hlengiwe siyakwamukela endabeni zesindebele lapha kwa SABC1.
Akwande comfort ngilochise nombukeli ekhaya.
Ngiyathokoza kanti ke ungakhe usicozululele leli khetho bekube nje kuraga kanjani?
Make ngithi nje lo khetho ukhetho ongathi lubaluleke kakhulu kubantu baseMzantsi Afrika. Ukusukela nje ekuqaleni kokuvulwa komkhankaso wonke ama-political parties ukuza uzokhankasa lana. Sengisho ke nabe media yangaphesheya nabo babhizi nje bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kuzokwenzekani. Kodwa ngaphezulu kwalokho ke lukhetho lokuqala ke esinama political parties angaka angenelele lo khuphiswano. So lubaleke kakhulu kubantu base South Africa.
Dokhotere khambe kuba nenitshijilo lapha nalapha entechini ezihlukahlukeneko zokuvota. Intshijilo lezi zikhambe ziba khona entechini zokuvota ezihlukahlukeneko angithi ke mina enarheni zombelele emfundeni ngokuhlukahlukana zingaba nomthelelo ongangani la ekhethweni emphumeleni ekhetho kokakhona.
Make ngithi ke bezilindelekile ngoba ke ngeke siyithole yonke into ke ngokuqondileyo njalo senzo kwanele ukuzosuthiseka wonke umuntu. Kodwa make ngithi ke lenhlangano ye-IEC izamile kakhulu ukuthi ke ibambe ngazo zombili. Kodwa ke basakhalaza abantu kakhulu lapha ngaphandle ikakhulu lana ekushintsheni kwalemthetho okwenzakeleyo. Lo section 24A uchaphazele abantu abaningi kakhulu emakhaya abasuka ku-province ezihlukeneyo mebefika lana endaweni abakuzo ngoba ngokujwayelekileyo mose siye sivote noma ukuphi na kodwa ukwazi ukuvotela unational. Kodwa ngalesikhathi kubonakala ukuthi akukhonakalanga ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuvota and leyo nto ke inomthelelo omkhulu ebantwini abebezimisele ngokuvota kulolu khetho abangasakwazi.
Dokhotere ilizwe lekhethi eSouth Africa ibuswa ngaphasi kwentando yeningi solo kwango 1994 yeke ke lokho kubonakele kuba nenhlangano eziningi zepolitiki ezibongikhethana la eheleni lekhetho kanti ke lokho kudosela ekutheni abantu abaningi bagcina baba confused ukuthi ke ehelweni liyabavanga ubuningi babo liyabahlangahlanganisa ngibuphi ubuhle nobumbi bentando yeningi benhlangano eziningi ngaphasi kwentando yeningi ama-advantages nama-disadvantages.
Wena comfort lento ye-parties eziningi ezingenelele kulolu khetho kakhulu idida abantu. Mengithola kahle inamba zami ngizwe ngathi bathi ziwu-61 i-parties ezintsha ezingenelele okokuqala kulolu khetho. So i-democracy yinhle ngoba intando yeningi and iyasivumela ukuthi size ke wabona umuntu afoma i-political party aze ke lana azokwenza lokho sithi ukucontesta bazokhuphisana nabo kulolu khetho. Kodwa ke iphinde ke ngapha kwesayidi labo ibe khona nayo eminye ke imiphumela yalokho ke engahambi kahle especially kubantu abasemakhaya. Kune political parties ezintathu ezaziwa njengama-official big parties okukudala zikhona lana ezinkulu and ke umuntu ofuna ukuvota la eMzantsi Afrika ozimiseleyo kodwa asuke angazi zibe ziningi ke suke kungaqedakali ukuthi ke uzose akhethe iphi i-political party afuna ukuyivotela okanye angakhethi iphi. Lokho ngase kwenzeke ukuthi abantu baseMzantsi Afrika baphele ke noma bethi bafuna ukukhupha lezi party ezinkulu esikhundleni baphele bengakwazanga ngenxa yalento yale ama-parties amaningi angenelele ukhetho.
Nangambala ke siyathokoza ukukhulumisana nawe Dokhotere. NguDokhotere uNdlovu besikhulumisana naye kwangalesi sikhathi angithi ke nguDokhotere uHlengiwe wakwaNdlovu ke ovela lapha ke kuVets School of Governance njengoba na umzwile. Kanti ke mina ngithula ngidunga ngithatha indambo ngizibuyisela le eKhabulazo lapho zibelethwa khona lapho sivinyileka khona eAuckland Park kuThandeka kwamabona uzokuraga nazo ungakho ungachita lapho khona mbukeli usaziphethe zonke uThandeka ngiyathokoza.
Sithokoze kazi loyo nguComfort Masomboka ose Results Operation Center eMidrand. Njenganje sigijimela kumbika indaba wethu uMabhande Mthombeni oseMpumalanga. Ukhuluma nelutsha elithoma Thomi ukuvota namhlanje. Akwande Mthombeni, lizizwa njani ilutsha ngemva kokuvota?
Ngiyathokoza Thandeka indambo e-studio ngilotshisa nombukeli osekhaya kunye nalabasithola enkundleni zokuthindana kunye na ku SABC Plus. Sila ku Ward 32 kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Abantu babonakala baphuma ngobunengi abaqeda ukuvota. Ngiyabona nabantu abatsha bathoma ukuvota. Ngikhe ngeze batho nje bathoma ukuvota njengawo bona la lotshani batho nathoma ukuvota bekunjani ngaphakathi ngoba njengawo thoma ukuvota namhlanje.
Ibizo lami ngingurefilo wakaMaseko ngina 19 yeminyaka. Yo bengithukiwe ekuthomeni mangizongera egeni kodwa ngifika phakathi angakhululeka.
Kuwe ivoti ichukuthini ngiyakubona nawe bowukhona ngaphosa ukuvota.
Lotshani okhuluma ngogugulethu wakwaSikhosana ngineminyaka 822 bengithoma unyaka lo ukuvota. Ukuvota kimi kubaluleke kakhulu ngobana ngizokuba nelizwi endaweni engihlala kiyo naseSouth Africa.
Kubonakele ke Thandeka nombukele ekhaya ukuthi kuhle namapholisa bezokuvikela bagcwele yonke into ibonakala ikhamba kuhle phakathi kwendawo zokuvotela ezi148 ezingaphasi komasipalata weThembisile kubonakele ukuthi ukusukela ekseni ngehour lekhomba akhange kube nenchijilo ezibonakalako. Ngithatha indambo ngibuyela kuwe e-studio samahlelo.
Nakusenjalo uvotile nomengameli walokho uThabo Mbeki eKhilani Country Club eJohannesburg. Umbeki ukhombela inhlangano zepolitiki kwaZulu-Natal bona singavusi induku ngesikhathi sekhetho nje.
The only thing really I'd like to say is I hope that all of us who have registered will vote. I think it's very important that all of us should come out and vote indeed, and including I hope you people have already done it.
Umengameli walokho uKhalima Motlanthe naye akhanga phondela lithuba lokuvota naye uvotele eKhilani Country Club eJohannesburg. Uthe ihlangana ke-ANC inamathuba amaningi ukufumana amavoti angaphezulu kwamaphesenti ama-60 ekhethweni lalo nyaka.
I'm very happy and elated that I've cast my vote, which is every citizen's duty and responsibility, and I hope that we will, create political stability, which is a precondition for development, so that we can focus on the real issues here.
Kanomkholo MK ongumengameli walokho uJacob Zuma uvote esikolweni Intolwane Primary School eNkandla. Ufike khona wamukela abavoti ebebalapho ngehahla. Kanesekela lalokho likamengameli uDavid Mabuza naye ukhulume nababika indaba ngemva kokuvota eplasini iAjuri eBarberton eMpumalanga.
Well, I'm feeling good. I voted. It's a right that we fought for. So I'm excited. It's a very big achievement for the country, 30 years into our democracy.
Ngokunjalo nesekela lalokho likamengameli ubaleka Mbete naye uphumelele ukuvela estagini seRandburg.
We are very hopeful and we believe we will get a very convincing win and victory for the ANC to continue to do its historic mission.
Abanye abantu basalindeleke bona bayokuvota entamba manje njengomana iinteji zokuvotela zivalwe ebusuku ngesimbi ye-9.
Nasibuya Ndolo.
Ngiphethe kumbi khulu ngibhalelwe ukuvota ngendaba ukuthi igama lami bathi liphuma le eJoburg.
Nasesifikile la kuvotiwa khona awa sesivotile siqedile masinya.
Iyahlukahlukana imbono yababukeli bethu ngabahlangabezene nakho nabayokuvota namhlanje. Sesigabeni sesibili sendaba zesindebele ku SABC 1. Nazo kuphundela uyazifumana ku YouTube, ku Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Numbers kambe. Ekhasini lethu le Facebook sibuze bona uvote njani mbukeli nakumbona ukhelandela.
Ngiphatheke kumbi khulu ngibhalelwe ukuvota ngendaba ukuthi igama lami bathi liphuma le eJoburg.
Nasesifikile la kuvotiwa khona awa sesivotile sicedile masinya mkhatsha kwagcwali akunankinga akunokuphusha-phushana.
Ngivote mina endaba ezitha sikeze umraro namunye konke kungendlela ethecha.
No, into engayisho nje ngivote kamnandi kakhulu ngapha eDiphalise nge-Ward 6.
Ngaphanagela khona lapha esikolweni i-8 hawa khambeke kuhle
nami ngilibekile uphawu ndivotile yaye ndivotile lo mbutho ndicinga uba uza kuyifezekisa iminqweno yabantu.
Mina cha ngisesemsebenzini kwamanje kodwa ngekhadi zantambama nje impela mangishayisa hayi ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyokhona impela ngiyofana mu-X.
Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthusa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ingonyama yamandebele uMakhosoke wesibili uvoteleke esinye senkolo zamabanga aphasi isiza abantwana eKlipfontein eMpumalanga.
Inteshi zokuvota ezilikhulu-48 ngaphasi kwamasipala uThembisile Hani zivulwe ngesikhathi ngaphandle kwezehlakalo zokuthikaziseka. Ingonyama uMakhosoke wesibili kasihlalo ANC eMpumalanga uSpeed Mashilo kunye nomzelo weSouth Africa eTunisia uSipho Masango.
Kutsho khona ukuthi ngenze ilungelo lami njengomhlali weSouth Africa yokuthi ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu njalo sivote kulilungelo.
Ingwenyama ithi nanyana ngaba ngiphi ihlangano ezokuphatha fanele ikhumbule ukuthi umhlaba awubuyele kubanikazi bawo.
Indawo zamakhosi nenchaba zawo zibuye ngoba into yayilwelwa kusuka kade kwakuliphasi ihlabathi sisayilwela namhlanje umhlaba ubuyele kubanikazi.
Abathoma ukuvota nomnyaka nje bafikile nabo.
Unyaka wami wokuthoma today ngivota and bengithanda ukuthi okay ukuya kwami ekuthomeni I was scared yabona so kodwa kufika kamngale then into enye nenye like ibeyihleli like kahle so azange ngibe nenkinga nje when I vote.
Sifuna ukuchange apha sifuna ukuchange siwazi ukuthola nembereko sibereke sifuna umbuso omutsha sike sisibone ukuthi kuzokwenza kanjani.
Ukuvota kulindele ukuraga bekufika isikhathi esibekwe ihlangano zamakhetho ebusuku indabeni ze-SABC King Philemon Sikhosana eJohannesburg.
Ubujamo bezulu bukhona ngobusa emathebula kazi indaba zikhona ngeSiswati kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako amakhetho awarage ngokuthula. Kwendaba siyathokoza ke sicalele ubujamo bakho bezulu akunanto engako ngaphandle nje kwemoya ekhona ligubuzese ngamafu lapha eKapa lodumo ke sokubona ukuthi kusasa kwenzakalani nakho umoya omakhaza ukuletha izulu elingegwini langa lengejinga langa nge80% nawuthi uyangena ayancipha amathuba abifike lapha ku30% kunomoya omningi ke lapha sithole khona isilemukiso ovela ngale elwandle ngeKapa lodumo kusasa ke kunjalo kodwa nangapha ke ngeUppington ukuza ngapha ngePumalanga Kapa sibona lapha isilemukiso somlilo wamahlathi ke sikusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga okushisa sithoma ngapha ngeGauteng lala livukela emakhaza bese ke kuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi liphole lifuthumele lapha ePitori nge24 sicale lapha eLimpopo nayo ke ilala ivuke emakhaza sifunda ngobunengi baso sithi ukufuthumala eMusina ke iyachisa nge30 siyoqala ukuthi sifunda sangeMpumalanga khona kunjani nakhona njengendawo eziningi ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ukhambe kuphole sikhukhuza ifuthumele nge28 siyalapha KwaZulu Natal sibona lapha ke iRichards Bay iyachisa iDurban ifuthumele iKokstadion ke ipholile nangemva kwamadina noma kulala kuvuka kumakhaza nje bese siyalapha ke isifundeni sangale ngePumalanga Kapa sibona ke sifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele ukulapha eMalitswayi lapho liphole khona nge21 iJingalanga Kapa siyayibona ke ukuthi ipholile endaweni eziningi sibona namakhaza lawa ke weCape Town enza ukuthi amazinga okushisa afike lapha ku19 eNorthern Cape yabonakala ukuthi makhaza lapha eSpringbok eSutherland makhaza khulu nangemva kwamadina nge13 lapha ke eFreystata siyabona ke ukuthi khona kufuthumele noma kuzakulala kuvuke kumakhaza endaweni eziningi bese ke nawuthi uyaqala isifunda sokugcina iNorthwest naso ke silala sivuke simakhaza kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iMahikeng ipholile ukuthi kezinye indawo kufuthumele sakubonana kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelayo.